Sign of the times, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about the sign of the times to supersize your business. And I'm going to share 12 signs it's time to supersize and grow your business. I'm having technological difficulties, so sorry about the angles and everything today. Sign of the times is from the Bible. It was when the Pharisees were asking Jesus to give them a sign that a sign from heaven in Matthew 16:3, and he basically says, yeah, no, look around you, there's signs everywhere. So what does this idiom, this expression mean, sign of the times? It means to pay attention to the things that are in the culture that are happening right now, that are popular for the period of history, that are happening, things that are important. And so how do we know and how do we look for the signs when it comes to supersizing and growing our business? Well, number one, we are turning down business. We're turning business opportunities away. Number two, we're surpassing our previous goals and objectives, things that we set for ourselves that we said we were going to achieve. We're achieving them easily. We have number three, a strong cash flow and repeatable sales. Number four, we have proven concept and reliable infrastructure. Number five, we have an atmosphere of minimum risk and minimizing risk. Number six, we're hearing from customers in multiple markets that they would like our products and services. Number eight, our leads have skyrocketed. Number nine, I guess I should say your instead of our, business has been profitable for a while. I lost count, 10, 11, 12, let's say 9 or 10. You have an incredible team. You have a great team of people that you can count on. Number 10, you demand is exceeding capacity. So when demand for your products and services is greater than what you're able to achieve right now, it's a clear sign that you need to grow and supersize your business. Number 11, you have money to spend or you have access to resources and money and capital to spend. And number 12, you can delegate without thinking about it. You know, everybody knows what's in their lane. All right, any questions about this? I'm going to hop off, and I already ordered new technology, so hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. Probably not in time for videos, so I'm going to engineer something better today with my ability to record. Have an awesome day. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow for another spirit-related idiom. Have a great day.